Yo, good afternoon. It's probably close to 4 p.m. at this time. August 3, I believe. I'm going downtown. This is my ride number 2, day 3 for Great Cycle Challenge for Sick Kids Hospital. Those kids with cancer. Hindi pa. Kabila pa. I'm going downtown. See you later. Yun mga kapadyak, please hang on. This is a 25-minute video. Okay. 42 minutes to go. Naka 9 kilometers na tayo. Nakakalimutan ko kung anong pangalan nitong trail na to. Nadaanan ko na to eh. Dito na to, malapit na to sa Marley. Alright. Beltline Trail. Nakakapadyak. Semi gravel pero hard siya. Hindi siya pavement, hindi siya asphalt. So, okay na rin. Pwede naman yung road bike. 36 minutes to go. 10.7 kilometers. My God, yeah. But this is nice. 10 kilometer speed lang daw. Oh, cemetery pala to eh. Napakaganda cemetery nito. Hindi ko alam kung anong cemetery ito. Baka ito isa. Balik ako sa U-Belt. Ito.
Turn left onto Beltline Trail.
Bike.
In 400 meters,
On your left,
slide
bike.
right to stay on Beltline Trail.
Kailangan ako ng cemetery to. What cemetery is this? Mount Pleasant. Oh, sabi ko na yun, Mount Pleasant. Mount Pleasant. Nice. Woo! Ganda oh. Record ba ako? So, naka-record pala ako. Ayos, ang ganda. Ganda. Nice. Hindi ko makikita to
Slight right to stay on Beltline Trail.
kung ako ay hindi naka GPS. Bike. Ay naka GPS ako eh. Kaya nakita ko. Ooh. And then akit ba?
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Oh shit. I did not prepare for it. I did not prepare for this. Saan ba ako dadaan? I think here. It's not there. I think it's down here.
Okay, Baba. What is that person doing?
Wow. Galing. May kapirasong tail, oh. Holy cow. Little Baguio.
Turn right, then slight right.
Oops. Oops. Pababa. Buti na lang. Pababa. Oops. Oops. Slide. Tingnan lang, meron akong mapa. Kung hindi, yari. Slow down. Slow down. Okay.
200 meters, turn right.
Wow. See? Napakaganda in the city. Holy. Wow. This. Nice. At ang namimingwit doon ah. Kompleto. Pwede ka mahulog dito, oh. Bagong gawa lang ito. Ang bira.
Turn right.
Ang lupit, ang ganda. Dito ako pupunta.
In 300 meters, turn right into the parking lot.
Nice. Yun o, dito ako dinala sa Brickworks. Eh, inaakit namin yung taas doon eh. Inaakit namin yan eh. Pag nakaabot ka na sa taas, that will be great. Hindi ko alam kung aakitin ko ngayon yan. I don't know.
Head south, then turn right.
Hindi na. Next time. Galing.
Turn left, then turn
Tatagpuan
right.
ko. Ganda. Cool.
Turn right, then turn left. Turn left, then turn right. Turn right into the parking lot, then turn left.
Turn right. Tulog ito. Broadview na tayo, mga kapadyak. Broadview na. It's 19.2 kilometers. Grabe yung elevation ng huling akit na yun. Kinapos ako doon ha. Hindi naman tumukod. Umabot naman sa taas bago uminom ng tubig. Thank you. Lapit na. time to be here. First time to cycle here. Please bear with me. Yeah, distillery. The distillery district tayo ngayon. Pero hindi na ako pupunta dyan. Pinakita ko lang. Go. Babalik na tayo sa loop. Toronto loop. So now, this is on top of this is QEW. We're going to the trail, back to the trail, Toronto loop. All right, so I saw it already and it's down here, so I'm on Toronto loop now. My way home. Whoa! Stop. 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 Go. Busy to. Sigurado. Sa downtown na, napakadaming tao. Busy. Yan, oh. Nice. Balik na tayo. Landing yung aeroplano. Ayun. Porter. Kakaliwa na ako dyan. Papunta ng downtown na to. Downtown Toronto. Yung merong CN Tower. Probably around mga 5 kilometers back from here. Tao, busy. Wala kasing pasok ngayong holiday. Tsaka Caribana Festival. Daming cyclist, oh. 6:30 na ng gabi. Pauwi na tayo actually. Red pot sugar yan. Itong boat na to nagbababa ng raw materials for sugar, re-refine dito sa building na yan. Red pot ay crafted since 1854 in Canada. Alright, lapit na tayo sa CN Tower. Still not a go. There you go. It's a go now. Kailangan listo ka dito kasi daming cyclists. Pati yung mga nagwo-walk pumapasok sa bike path eh. Itong kaliwa ko, Lake Ontario pala. Oops, stop. Lake. Punta rin ko sa Center Island. Yan ang sakayan, yung boat na Center Island. It's a small island. Ayan, may water taxi doon. Sino yung gusto sumakay ng mga turista dito sa Toronto. Ayan. Nando doon ng island. Doon. Toronto Island. Maliit na island. Pwedeng mag-picnic. Ayan, ito yung sakayan papunta ng ferry sa Toronto Island. Ayan. Ayan. Harbor Square. You don't want to be here eh. I don't want to be here too. Kaya lang dahil galing tayo sa pagbisita kay Mikey, dumaan na tayo. Hindi pa nadadaanan yung lupit nito. ako din eh. Wow! Oh, ang daming tao, turista oh. Bike, bike! Bike, bike! Yeah. CN Tower na tayo, ayan oh. Walang duda. Queen's Harbor.
No, we're not on the same level.
Ang bisita. Sakto. Hindi ka notice. Queen's Harbor. Ayaw mo pumunta rito, nag-aabura ka. Approaching Harbor Front. Yan o. Harbor Front. Yan o. Daming wild geese. Ano na to, ito ang CNE. Oops, CNE yan eh. Alam ko. Wala, tapos na yung halos, maraming tao, pero ngayon mas marami uli ngayon dito sa bridge na to. Famous kasi to eh, wide bridge. Bike, bike. Mamaya overlooking yung ano. Yun mo. Famous ito eh. Ano oras na? What time is it? % na lang yung battery ko. 7:36 PM. Overlooking CN Tower. Ganda. Ay. Ano? Kita yung ba? Nice. Yun. Pauwi na tayo. Siguro from here mga 20 kilometers pa, pero last time na tinignan ko doon sa may 7:36, siguro 7:40 na ngayon. Hopefully we arrive at home around 8:30. Okay dokie, thank you for coming by and happy Monday. And civic holiday is over. Okay, back to reality next week. Tomorrow, back to work. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out sa mga master, Kasaklay, Pau Tupik, JRDT, and to all the subscribers and my family. Okay, have a good day to all. Bye bye. Hindi ko na kaya umakit dun sa ano, kaya dito na ako dadaan sa bridge dito sa Steel Daambakal. 8:28 na. Probably I'm about 2 kilometers away. Nandito na ako sa Oak Street and Weston Road. Malapit na ako sa 401 and Weston actually. Malapit na ako sa amin. At thank you sa nakaabot dito. Maraming salamat. Please support me on this journey to help the sick kids in Toronto Sick Kids Hospital. I'll be riding my bike for 500 kilometers for the whole month of August. Okay. My target is to reach 500 kilometers, but if I reach 500 by mid of August, I will increase to another 500. Okay, thank you so much. And please support. Bye bye.